Hi, everyone. I was thinking today about two of the values that we hold sacred at Allied: trust and transparency. It's part of our four values: accountability, respect are the other two. But those two are really important, and it was the reason why I was thinking about it was because uh, now you have the time on your hands to make the right decisions for your business, for your family, for personal projects. And really, whether it's with Allied, whether it's for a steel building project or anything that you're buying right now, you should really be asking yourself, do I trust the person I'm speaking to? And do they have a transparent business process, not only for buying your project, but also for fulfillment all the way through? So, take that measurement as you're having conversations. I know in our industry, it can be quite confusing. You've got contractors selling buildings, you've got factories selling buildings, you've got management companies like Allied that are doing the same. So ask yourself, trust, transparency, make an informed buying decision. And certainly we hope it's with Allied, but at least we know with speaking to an Allied professional, you're going to at least leave with a clear understanding of our process and who we are as a company. Thank you.